In this video, I want to show you how to use the align environment. It's really helpful anytime you have to do a bunch of algebraic steps and you want to align things nicely instead of having them all smudged together in a single row. So let's suppose we have the problem, solve the equation 0 equals 3x to the third plus 3x squared minus 6x. In the past lesson, we showed how to do superscripts and how they belong in dollar signs and so on. In this lesson, let's use the align environment to nice and neatly solve this problem. So the first thing we do is begin, align, end, align. Of course, in LaTeX, everything that has a beginning should have an end. And the first thing we'll do is we'll just copy this equation, 0 equals 3x to the third and so on. And we'll put an ampersand right before that equal sign. And again, ampersand means line up here. And we'll put a double backslash after it. That means line break here. And then the next step is, we're now just going to do a little bit of algebra, and I'll show you how this works out. So we'll use an ampersand equals. Looks like we can factor a 3 out of all this, so we'd have x to the third plus x squared minus 2x. We'll line break. And it looks like we can also factor an x out of that, so we'll do 3x, and then parentheses, that would be x squared plus x minus 2. And we'll line break again. And let's see, equals again. And so we've got our 3x. It looks like we can factor that. So that does factor to x plus 2 and x minus 1. Now, there's no equal sign here. What we'll do is we'll use a special math symbol. Therefore, let me scroll down just a little bit. Now we know what the answers are. So therefore, x equals 0, -2, and 1. Okay? So what I've done here is I've basically aligned everything up everywhere there's an ampersand. Double backslash means line break, and I don't put a line break at the last line. Let's compile this and see what it looks like. And there it is. Okay, 0 equals that. I didn't have to write 0 on all sides. I could if I really wanted to, but it doesn't make a big deal. And then, therefore, and x equals 0, -2, 1. Now you'll notice also that there are numbers for each equation. If I don't want numbers, all I do is I put a little star after a line inside the curly braces, and I'll press recompile typeset, and it's gone. If I want them back, I just remove the stars, and I can get them back. Okay. Now what I like to do is I like to tab these things out so that they're nice and aligned. Doesn't make a difference if you do or if you don't. I'll compile this in just a second. I'll typeset this. Compile and typeset mean the same thing. Just to show you that LaTeX doesn't care if you do it that way or not. But it's a very useful thing to do. It's really nice when you're doing algebraic steps, and I think it just looks wonderful for your document. All right, hope you're having a great day.